One of the biggest problem that can make you as a creator have low views, no engagement on your video is by not adding an end screen to your video. Guys, I tried adding an end screen to my video for the past few days and I've really seen the change in my video. So end screen is that thing that you add to the 15 to 20 seconds of your video when it's about to end, and you adding an end screen to your video, it helps to retain your viewer attention, because you don't leave them with what to do next after watching this particular video. When they are finished watching this video, they'll keep on watching more of your video because of the end screen that you have added. Okay, so in this tutorial I want to show you how you can add an end screen to your video, how you can add card to your video, and a video, and how you can create a playlist. You can drop that in the comment section and I'm going to do just that. So I believe that after this video you'll be able to create your end screen, you'll be able to create your card and all of those stuff. Okay, my face for the first time, you are welcome to my YouTube channel. Okay, so please do well to like this video and leave your comment in the comment section and let me know if you try this out and if it has worked for you. And if you want to be seeing more of my videos, you can also do well to hit the subscribe button so that whenever I post a video like this, you'll be among the first person to get notified. And to my old and returning subscribers, I love you. Thank you for stopping by to watch this amazing video. Please guys, do well to like, comment and also share this video to get as many people that might need it right now. Okay, without wasting much time, let me walk you to the other side of my screen on how you can create an effective end screen for your video. For you to add an end screen to your video, you just need to go to your Chrome browser, because Chrome browser give you that feature as if you are using a laptop. It gives you more feature than the app. So you just click on YouTube Studio and click on that. So when you click on that, you just want to press and hold it, because I have the app on my phone. If I just click on the first option, it will take me to the app and I don't want that. Okay, so I just press and hold and open on a new tab. So you come here to open it. So when you come here, you just need to click on video elements. Okay, so you can add subtitles, you can add an end screen and card. So we'll click on those second one here to add an end screen to this particular video. So when you come here, you see how the element is being arranged. If you is either you choose one video, one playlist, one subscribe. Okay, let me go for this one. So you just go ahead. You can allow YouTube to select the video for you, or you can do it manually. Okay, so for this one, for the video, I would prefer I choose the video I want. Okay, so let me choose this. Then for the playlist, so this is the playlist. So for the playlist, I will now choose which of my playlists I want. If you don't know how to create a playlist, you let me know about that in the comment section. So sorry, that's not the playlist. Okay, it's actually a playlist. Okay, so this is where my subscribe button is. This is my video, this is my my playlist. I'll click on save. So when you click on save, it has been saved. So you click on where you see add card. Card are those things that comes up at the top of video while you are watching it. Okay, so you click on those plus sign. You can either add a video, a playlist, a channel, whichever way you want. So I'll click here to add a video, right? So let the video you want to add, let it always be pertaining to what you are talking about. So like me, those videos about YouTube, so I'm going to put my YouTube related video, especially how to create a YouTube channel, how to create multiple YouTube channel with one Gmail. So I'm just going to put something related to this topic. Okay, so you just go ahead and add it. So always do well to drag this one to where you want your card to come in, and you just click on the plus sign to add it. So after adding all of those stuff, you just click on save and you just go ahead and save the video. So guys, here comes the end of this tutorial. Please let me know what you think about this in the comment section, and don't forget to like, share and also subscribe to my YouTube channel for more tutorials like this.